Hi, ladies and gentlemen. This is your boy, the DoorDash Revolution. Smash the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, leave comments down below, like and share this video. I will be making a public announcement for what videos that I will be taking down in the next 48 to 24 hours, maybe including this one. A lot of people said that I've been giving away too much information, but I have a whole lot more to share. But there is a secret formula into making your money by the hour in the Diamond program, utilizing all the DoorDash multi-apping strategies in the Diamond zones. I'm known as a multi-apper, ladies and gentlemen, and I use the multi-apping concept when it comes to DoorDash. I understand that DoorDash have borrowed concepts from multiple apps that delivery drivers are utilizing today and put it all in one program on the DoorDash platform. DoorDash has learned how to multi-app. I said it a year ago, people laughed at me. I said it 6 months ago, people said it's preposterous. But I can't see how this went over the head of multi-appers that they couldn't see this and view it for what it is. Now, DoorDash use multiple programs that derive from different multiple apps of their competitors and put it in one platform so drivers can maximize their earnings and make a profit. If you knew what you was comprehending and reading on what was going on to the job assignments that was coming to you on the algorithm on the DoorDash platform. You know, things has changed. We did the video about the Paradigm of Doordash 2023, and people seem like they're still not trying to get it. And I'm not trying to let this video be a long video. We got the negative Nancy's and the Babbler Bobs talking about the independent employee and talking about those that have learned how to use these strategies to maximize their earnings and make a profit while they run the business dealing with their clients such as DoorDash, Uber Eats, and Grubhub. I will be probably doing a video if I don't forget or get distracted on doing it, on what an employee mindset really is. You know, if I remember when I was on the W-2, I remember when I was in the warehouse, people would complain about 15-cent raise, 25-cent raise a year, 50-cent raise a year. That's up under the employee environment and employee mindset, because why would you just settle for a 15-cent raise versus trying to get a promotion in that company that could pay you $2 more an hour, $5 more an hour, or maybe $5,000 more on your salary? Those were the employee mindset that I see today in our gig community. But the only difference is with these people is they still have that employee mindset to where they complain about problems and don't find any solutions. They identify the problem, but they don't do anything about it. That sounds like an employee mindset to me. Only they different now. You are an independent employee now. You see, because you still got that employee mindset. When others are successful, you complain about them. When others making more money than you, you complaining about them. and you're not trying to find a solution on why you're not making that money, the answer is lack of knowledge and decision making. And that's all we're going to say on that subject. I want to be able to share a secret formula. Is going to be the reason why I'm going to be taking my videos down that talk about this secret formula. I will share a video with you today on a content creator that talk about this secret as well. And we're going to go in the comment section where I went to his video, and he definitely know what he's talking about. Want to give a salute to you, Dash and C-Moto. This is what I said to him in the comment. Yes, C-Moto, you understand how to maximize your earnings and make a profit on DoorDash. There's a secret formula used in this hour strategy. I earn more dollar per order ratio, dollar per mile ratio, and dollar per hour ratio. I talked about how I made $100 in 1 hour using this strategy in my video. The Paradigm of Doordash 2023, DoorDash High Priority Orders. Thank you for sharing your experience and valuable information. And I also asked him for permission to be able to share this video with my viewers. And also, ladies and gentlemen, when you get a chance, check out his channel. Subscribe to his channel if the information he's giving you will work for you. A lot of people say, well, he in the LA. I'm in Memphis. I use the same strategy, but I have two strategies. That is a secret formula how to maximize your earnings per hour. I done shared it with you on my live streams. I done shared it with you in previous videos. I use the dash now and dash in concept. We're gonna hear him tell you the concept that he used. That is the secret formula to making the right decision for better opportunities to maximize your earnings. Let's hear what C-Moto has to say about it.
Your boy C-Moto, I am back with another proven dash that I have here. Is just for 1 hour, but it's just to show you exactly my theory and proving that at the end of each one of my hours, I get these big orders. But as you can see, I sign up for 1 hour and it does drag me into the next hour. So this one was hour and a half, even though I signed up for 1 hour. 5 or so minutes before the end of my dash, I always get this big order. And as you can see here, the last one was a $9.50 base pay with a $31 tip. This was my original theory. You can go back and look at my previous videos showing how I scheduled myself and how I made $510 in 1 day. So this is my way of driving now. I do not schedule for hours at a time. I do it hour for hour. I dash for 1 hour, it signs me out. I dash another hour, and I'm making a lot more money this way. So again, this is just to show you guys, 4 orders later, $73. You can see how fast I get to $500 in a day's time. Your boy C-Moto is always here to bring any kind of money-making tips to you guys. If you're able to do this, try it out. Till next time, your boy C-Moto, I'm out.
Thank you so much, C-Moto, for your concept on how you make more money by the hour. He told you guys that he scheduled in hour blocks. Now I'm going to share with you my video. And I'm going to go to timestamp 1450 so you can hear what I say about it. We will be doing lives. I will pick different times and I will show you how I get these kind of orders. Not only will I show you how to make more money per mile in these diamond zones, I will also show you how to make more money per hour in these diamond zones, utilizing all the multiple programs and features in the DoorDash application. So what are you saying, D-Rev? What I'm saying to you is, in my market, the initial offer, $1.95 per mile up to $4 per mile. Now, after completing the delivery, is $2.95 per mile, up to $14.22 per mile. Any one of these offers, I could have just did one offer, and it would have been that much per hour. In receipt number one, and we're going to stop there. You would have to go to how to make more dollars per mile in these diamond zones. Diamond drivers for beginners 2023. See, Moto told you that he scheduled about an hour. I told you that you can dash anytime you want to dash by using Dash Now. And you also can end your dash anytime you want to end your dash. And also do mine's about an hour. Peace, ladies and gentlemen. We see you in the next video. And take time to look at this one, because it's not going to be up no longer than 48 hours.